Today we're removing moss from between the patio stones at our house, and we wanted to do it this year as an in-between year when we don't thoroughly clean out the stone and then regrout it. Problem is that if you use a pressure washer, you pull out the grout, and we didn't want to have that happen. So we're looking for an easy way that we can kind of clean things up and not bust our asses too much, and this is what we came up with. Stay tuned. This video is sponsored by LUBE Shuttle, the quality grease gun perfect for tractor owners. Get yours today using the link in the description. This is the kind of nastiness I'm talking about that grows in between the patio stones. It's a moss and it almost creates its own type of soil, so it sits on there. If you let it get on there for too long, it'll actually get its way in between those stones and start to cause problems. So we're looking for an easy way to get it up and get it out of there. One of the methods we tried using was a child's snow shovel. While it did get the job done and it didn't scar the stone, it was a little bit too flexible and made it difficult. Try this thing once, see how you like it compared to the shovel. Because I used the rubber end on it and I used the broom end.
I tried it. It doesn't matter.
I got that thing when I lived in Toledo to spread the coating on the top of the blacktop driveway.
Be aggressive with it.
Yeah, I don't know how long that squeegee on the last doing it, but
yeah.
Turned out pretty nice. So after about an hour's worth of work, this is the look that we ended up with. I think it turned out real nice. So our conclusion after working out there is that this brush works the best. It's got a rubber edge on one side and it's got a stiff broom on the other. And these things are actually used for spreading seal coating on top of blacktop driveways. So they're inexpensive. I'll put an affiliate link down below if you want to buy one of these things if you got this kind of problem. But it worked out pretty good. We're happy with it. Take care.